Hi, I'm Jeanette, and today I feel inspired to do a DIY. Hi guys, this is Jeanette's Inspirational Design. I appreciate you watching my show today. And what I got going here is a electrical box light. I got it from Walmart. Okay? And I only paid over the weekend $17.95. It was on sale. It was regular $19.95. And as you know, when I showed you how to design my bookshelf, I had got one of them before and I made it into a plug-in light for the plug-in with a socket, with a plug-in socket. Okay, now I bought this at Home Depot, okay, and I paid $1 something for this. So I'm going to convert this light, this electrical box light, into a plug-in light. All right, now the way I'm going to do that is to take this off. Now on my other one, when I hung on the shelf, I left this on and I used 2 sheetrock screws and I screwed it underneath the shelf, okay? So I'm taking this off on this one because I don't want this on right now. Now later on, I might change it back into an electrical box light fixture, light. Okay. Now, another thing at Walmart, they already have one that's larger than this, comes out larger, that you can purchase that has a plug-in with it already. But I like this and I wanted to convert it into this plug-in because it's smaller in scale. I didn't want the larger one, so I found this and I said, hey, I can do that. So let me show you how we do that. First of all, this is called, the green one is called a ground wire, okay, for the ground, for your ground wire. And this is, the black is called hot and the white is called neutral, okay? So remember that. So let's take this plug in now. Let's open it up. And the way you do that is twist it open, okay? And it'll pop out. There you go. Now what I need to do with this cover is to put it through so that when I'm done putting all this together, you know, the light, I can screw that back on. Okay. Now on the plug-in, here we have a green screw, we have a gold screw, and a silver screw. The green screw would take the green wire, which is called ground. The black screw will go to the gold screw, which is called hot. And the white screw will go to the silver, which is called neutral. All right? So watch me as I put this together. We're twisting our wire. And by the way, I had to cut some of this color down in order to get a good strip to push in under around the screw. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to bend on it a little bit. And I'm going to push it up and it comes on around, see? And I'm going to pull it on around the screw and then I'm going to tighten it. This is real small, it's kind of hard to see everything, so I hope I'm showing this right to you. And you want to make sure that's tight, okay? You don't want it to fall off. So now we're going to do the black, which is called the hot wire. We're twisting that wire up. That makes it easier. And I'm going to bend it like a little curve on this end. And I'm going to pull it on through. Well, just give me a few minutes. I'm having a little difficult time with this one. Let me undo the screw. There. Working with this wire, sometimes it can be hard because it's such a small area. Okay, I got her. All right, now I'm going to tighten it up. Make sure that all the little wires are down and around. Okay, now I'm left with the neutral wire, okay? Which I'll go ahead and put that on. I'm twisting it. Sorry. Got to pull it closer to me. Here we go. I got it through. You tighten that up. Now, let's put this right there in the center. See how this come together here? And it clamp down on it and it captures it. See? So I'm going to pull the cover on around there and I'm going to tighten it up. All right? See? Now, I converted it into a plug-in light. Okay, so we're going to see if it works. So the way we got to do that is I'm going to walk over here and plug it up and I'll turn the camera and you can watch me. We got it all plugged in. Now you ask, well, how do you turn it on and off? Because you're going to have to unplug it. No. What I done was I bought me electrical I bought me a plug-in switch that has all the little plug-ins, and it has a switch you turn on and off. And that's how I did it. Now, of course, you would have to unplug it, that's true. Or you can leave it plugged up. I don't know how you do your lighting at home or what you do, but that's how you can do it. So, anyways, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment on what you think. Okay? So, that's how you convert a electrical box light into a plug-in. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.